I'm doing this video today. Then we're gonna say goodbye to my blonde hair. Obviously you could tell that it's not the same color that it was last time, and it literally only lasted for like 2 days instead of 6 weeks. So I was a little bit disappointed about that. Since that didn't really work out, I'm just going back to my natural dark roots, and I'm gonna leave it alone for a little while. So yeah, we're going to use box dye, which I'm not really like a huge fan of, because I know most hairdressers that I watch say it's bad for you, but I don't really have a choice. We don't live by Sally's anymore, we moved. So we're going to use this, I forget what it's called, Loreal Paris Superior Preference. And this is Ultimate Black. So this should be interesting. I'm just going to film myself dyeing my hair and we'll see how it comes out. Hopefully it doesn't look really gross, but we'll see. Yay! Hey guys, so I know it's been a while, at least for me. It's not been a while in the video, it's been 3 seconds, but it's been a couple weeks and even possibly longer than that, and I just never filmed like the end result, but this is it. I had to go and dye my hair again, but I did it with more of like a dark brown, and it kind of turned my roots like a little bit of a lighter color, which makes no sense. But in other words, don't use box dye because you never know what you're gonna get. It's never like it's on the picture. Another thing I want to talk about is since I had COVID a couple months ago, my hair has been falling out like immensely, like in huge clumps, and it scared the crap out of me because it started happening right after I dyed my hair back to this color. And I freaked out because I thought it was me. I thought that from dyeing my hair that all this hair was coming out, and I started panicking, and I'm like, how could I stop this from happening? So it's another reason why I cut it, because I was losing a lot, and since the ends were really dead, they were getting knotty and kind of pulling out more hair than should have been coming out. But yeah, I just wanted to make a point in case that's happening to anybody else, because it scared me, and just know that you're not alone, and hopefully we won't lose all of our hair, because I think it's a new thing that's happening. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave my hair be for a while, like a long time, probably just let it grow out. I'm gonna do other videos on other things, obviously, maybe bake some more stuff. But yeah, so this is the end result finally after a few weeks, and you know, I hope you guys like this video. and I hope I can do more, even if it has nothing to do with my hair. If you have any other suggestions, just let me know. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.